welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, hi, my name is Prarthana Banerjee and आप ही लोगों की request में मैं ये video film करने वाली हूँ. And to be honest, disclaimer, this by no means is a show off video. This is something where I am truly acknowledging the people who have showered their love in forms of gift on me. And yes, there are a few gifts which I'm yet to receive. You can figure it out from the background and everything कि मेरा birthday recently था. That is, yes, yesterday only was my birthday और 20th of October, यानी आज ही मैं ये film कर रही हूँ. So yes, there are still a few gifts which I'm yet to receive, but I am acknowledging all of that already. Thank you so much to the people who have showered their love on me, not only in forms of gift but also in forms of good wishes and blessings. And yes, if you're interested to know what and all I received in my birthday as my birthday presents, in that case, please keep on watching.
Hold up.
Now, before I show you guys what presents I received, I also have to tell one thing, and that is I'm not going to show any kind of jewelry, letters or cards that I received because they are way too personal to be on the camera and in front of the whole world. And apart from that, now let's just begin with the video. The first gift that I received for myself is by myself, like it is my gift to myself. And the first thing that I got for myself is AirPods. Now, ये थोड़ा सा गंदा हो गया है. No, it's not really that dirty. Okay, so I got myself AirPods and it's something that I sincerely needed because I use earphones a lot and मेरा जो earphone था मैं जो gym में पहन के जाती हूँ उसका एक side खराब हो गया, so I needed to get a good pair of earphones anyway. So I got myself AirPods and I'm super happy about it because I got these for myself by myself. Apart from that, I also got a few things from Sephora. Now all the things that I'll be showing, मैंने उन सबका डब्बा फेंक दिया है because like I have opened the gifts already. Few of the things I have already used because obviously, so डब्बा से मैं निकाल के अगर दिखाऊंगी, the decoration just fell off, never mind. डब्बा से अगर मैं निकाल के दिखाऊंगी बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम भी जाएगा. So the things that I got from Sephora are really something that I need. The first thing that I got for myself is this compact by Sephora. You guys know already मेरा Mac का जो compact था by Mac Studio Fix. It completely shattered into pieces. You guys saw it in my vlog, so I got this one from Sephora. This is in the shade 31 Almond. This was like recommended to me by the MUA in Sephora itself. Apart from that, I also got myself this lipstick from Dior, and you guys know I absolutely love the formula by Dior. And yeah, this is the next thing that I got from Sephora. Oh, also the shade. Let me just tell you the shade. Okay, this is 813 by Dior, and this is the shade. I was trying it out before the video. So this is a very maroonish, brownish shade. It's a perfect nighttime shade. The other shade that I have from Dior is really nude. So I absolutely love it. And yeah, these are the things that I got for myself for my own birthday. Moving on to my mom and dad, especially my mom. I'm going to show you the things that my mom got me because my mom and dad got me everything. They basically sponsored the whole day. They basically like gifted the whole day to me, so I cannot really pinpoint things that they got for me apart from the jewelry which I'm not going to show. So yeah, my mother got me, firstly she got me the birthday dress which you must have seen in my birthday vlog already, the one that I wore in the evening. This is by Latin Quarters. It's a very shimmery, very beautiful outfit. It's body hugging, and even though मैं दोपहर को खाना खाने निकली थी, still I wore it. This is by Latin Quarters in the size XS, and yeah, it fits me like a glove. It is so shimmery, so beautiful. I absolutely love it. Apart from that, my mother also got me a bunch of makeup from Nykaa, and they are the first thing that she got me. All the makeup I have used for my birthday, get ready with me, which will be up on my channel very soon. The first thing that she got me is this one by Smashbox. This is the Shade Bronze and Glow palette, the Cali Contour palette basically. This has a contour shade, a bronzer, a blush, a banana powder, and 2 beautiful highlighters. This is what I used for my birthday. And apart from that, she also got me this beautiful shade, lipstick shade from Physicians Formula. Again, what I used on my birthday. This is in the shade Berry Healthy. It is such a beautiful shade, very matte, which is good because mask पहनना पड़ता है यार, अच्छा है अगर matte है. But not just this, she also got me this huge box full of makeup yet again. And these are all Makeup Revolution products. The first thing is by Makeup Revolution. This is the Integrity Wild Animal Palette, and this is absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to play with the colors. This is the palette, you guys. It is so pretty. This has shimmers, this has colors, this has all the nude colors. Basically, this has everyday colors, also the ones which has a pop of color. When you want to basically play with colors, you can also play with them. So yeah, this one palette and you're good to go. Apart from that, she also got me the Revolution Pro 4K blush palette. So beautiful, so beautiful. Like, I don't know in the light kitna dikhega, but yeah, this has one orange blush, one peach blush, one yellow toned blush, and one pinky glittery blush. Like, not really glittery but shimmery blush. It is very beautiful. Like, if you apply this blush, you don't really have to go ahead and apply a highlighter, even though मैं लगाने वाली हूँ because I love highlighter. And talking of highlighter, she also got me 4K highlighter palette by Makeup Revolution Pro, and this has 4 stunning highlighter shade, you guys. Like, let me just show you guys this one, okay? It is so buttery, so beautiful. Let me just show you guys. Oh, just look at that. Oh my god, just look at that. So pretty, you guys. So yeah, it has 4 highlighting shade. So gorgeous. And yeah, these are all the makeup that she got me, and thank you so much, Mama. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to play with them. So my mother really wanted to fix the balloon. Yeah, so not just that, Mama also got me a few of very cute things, mostly from Miniso. And that is, firstly, she got me this cute little headband which I can use while doing my makeup. You guys know, itna sara baal, to keep the hair to keep the hair off my face when I'm doing my skincare and my makeup. She got me this one from Miniso, and apart from that, she got me a bunch of headbands. I am obsessed with headbands. I wear them all the time, especially at home, when I'm going downstairs, when I'm moving around. It doesn't matter where I am, I always wear them, and I absolutely love headbands. So these are all the things that Mama and Baba got me, and the makeup that Mama got me. And apart from that, they basically got me a lot of things. As I have mentioned, I cannot really pinpoint the things that they give me, but most importantly, the blessings and the love. Nevertheless, moving on to Shomik. So firstly, Shomik got me this stunning bag from Guess. Now, I know it seems really materialistic, but this is something that I really wanted. This is a classic black handbag from Guess, good quality, really classy. It has, you know, this little detailing over here. Otherwise, it's very chic. You can wear this with, like, I can carry this with anything and everything. Thank you so much, Shomik, for this. And apart from that, he also got me, I'm really confused, you guys, because it's gifts everywhere, so मेरे को इधर उधर देखना पड़ रहा है. Okay. So he also got me, he went, so there's this store called House of Candies, जहाँ के कुछ particular candies I absolutely love. So he went all the way. I could not get them because यहाँ आसपास mall में they were not, like, House of Candies है नहीं था, अभी तो बंद हो गए हैं. So he got me few of my favorite, like, I know ये नहीं दिखाने से भी चलता, but मुझे दिखाना था. Just one second, you guys. He also got me 2 lollipops. So yeah, ये रहा. Sorry. So he got me all these candies and yeah, don't worry, मैं रोज नहीं खाने वाली. I know you guys are like, आप लोग सोचते होगे ना कि यार तुम तो अक्टूबर में सिर्फ खा ही जा रही हो, क्या कर क्या रही हो. I know I might gain a few pounds, but it's okay. It's a part of life. You live every day. You live it's just one life, and I don't really want to stop myself from enjoying, because I know अगर weight gain थोड़ा सा होगा, it's not like I'm turning into an obese person altogether all of a sudden. थोड़ा बहुत weight gain होगा, फिर से lose हो जाएगा. I know how to keep myself fit. It's about being fit and happy. It's fine if I gain a few pounds or yeah, like I don't think I'll be gaining quite a few kilos, but even if I do, I work out every day. I keep a clean diet on the days I'm not cheating. Nevertheless, he got me these stuff, and he also got me this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful top from A&D, and just look at the color. So soothing, pastel blue top. Thank you so much, Shamik. And not just these, he also, you guys saw in the vlog, the cake and everything. So yeah, thank you so much, Shamik. He got me these, and yes, apart from that, lots of love and good wishes for me. And I don't have to mention that all the time, of course. Now, moving on to Meghashri. Meghashri too got me a bunch of things. मैं इन चीज़ों को थोड़ा नीचे रख देती हूँ. So yeah, Meghashri firstly got me these beautiful scented candles from Miniso. Just 1 second. Yeah. So Meghashri got me these beautiful scented candles from Miniso. They are in the fragrance Pure Jasmine. Okay, both of them are Pure Jasmine. And I am really fond of good fragrances, be it perfume, be it body mist, be it a good scented candle. She got me 2 scented candles. Thank you so much for that. And she also got me this stunning highlighter from Bobbi Brown. This is in the shade bronze. This is the Shimmer Brick Compact. Thank you so much, Meghashri. This is a clip which might break the flow of the video, but I am so stupid. I was so overwhelmed and a little nervous because, as I mentioned, मैंने ऐसा वीडियो पहले बनाया नहीं है, इसीलिए मैं मेघाश्री की गिफ्ट दिखाते दिखाते आधा दिखा के मैं बाकी दिखाना ही भूल गई. So yes, this is where I am interrupting a little. So Meghashri also got me these beautiful earrings, and yes, these are so classy, so beautiful. These are golden in color. These are like rings basically, and yes, I absolutely love it. She knows my choice and our choice match anyway. So yes, I love it. And she also got me this beautiful kind of sweater dress from Forever 21. It is like a shirt dress which has big button detailing, and it's like a slip dress and a bodycon dress. I'm so excited to wear this. So yes, she got me this one as well from Forever 21. Now that I showed all the presents by Meghashri, I'm going to continue, and yes, it is going to continue from the place where I showed the gifts by Meghashri आधा. So yes, bye. इन 4 लोगों ने मेरे को मतलब एकदम भर दिया, ठीक है. मतलब मेरे साल भर का शॉपिंग मतलब और जरूरत नहीं है, इन लोगों ने पूरा भर दिया, मम्मी पापा मेघाश्री और शौमिक ने. Moving on, I really want to, not to forget, Shamik also got me these bunch of flowers. Like, he got me this bouquet, and I'm really trying so hard so that as long as possible these are like properly, like they stay this way. And yeah, these are kept in water in a vase. I am extremely fond of bouquets and flowers. You get me one flower and I am like, you have my heart for real. I absolutely adore flowers. I love flowers. I love roses and orchids especially. So yeah, he got me these flowers as well, and I'm trying so hard so that ye rahe sahi se. Moving on to Dr. Meenakshi. So Shonai Didi, she got me this box which says, "Hey self, I love you." I don't know if you guys can see because it has stuff inside. I don't really want to tilt it completely. So you guys know I am a firm believer of self-love. I preach self-love. I talk about self-love. I am all about self-love, and that is exactly, this is such a thoughtful gift. and this huge box is full of things which are meant for self-love. The first thing is this beautiful mug which says, "Hey self, I love you." I'm going to use this. I absolutely love pretty mugs. I have a few of them. This is a gratitude jar. I'm supposed to write little things I'm thankful for and fill this jar up. And also this has 5 cards, basically self-love challenge card, things like write a letter to your younger version, draw what makes you happy in life. You guys make me happy in life, Shona Didi, people like you. Okay, so make a vision board and everything, basically a challenge card, and a stunning beautiful notebook. And yeah, I'm going to use this notebook to write my YouTube ideas and everything. This says XOXO, swipe right to yourself. This is something I always talk about, guys. This is the mantra, swipe right to yourself first all the time. This is such a thoughtful gift. Thank you so much, Shonai Didi. Dr. Minakshi that is. And yes, this is what she got me. Moving on to Radhika, she sent me this flower bouquet, basically of roses, which had chocolates stuck on them. Wow. So yeah, just like these flowers, I'm trying super hard so these as well live as long as possible. Radhika also tried to meet me, but she got office. So yeah, she could not meet me, but it's completely fine. Your love and warmth reached me. And yes, thank you so much, Radhika. I love you so much. Also, Porab, you have seen this bag before in a vlog, I'm sure. So Porab got me this bag from Adidas, and this is basically a backpack, and this is super cool. Okay, like look at the color, ye jaldi ganda bhi nahi hoga, and it is so sporty. It has yellow, orange and blue, and it has huge, like it has a lot of space. Okay, like I don't know how to like explain basically, but it is huge. It has a lot of space. It is sturdy, it is sporty, it is so smart. I can carry it. I can just basically murder him and hide his body in this bag. Nobody will know, just kidding. That's my relationship with Porab. But yes, this is the bag that Porab got me. Thank you so much. Moving on, my cousins got me these beautiful stuff, a few stuff basically. Both my basically Arjama, Aryahi, Shataparna and Shatanik. Basically, I don't, they are their school name, basically good name. I call them with cuter names, but they might be offended if I just say it on the camera. So they got me these cute little earrings. This one by Calabar, this nail polish, and I used them in fact for my birthday nails. Like I changed them from the French manicure nails to these glitter nails, and yes, I used them on top of a nude nail polish, and also this cute crop top from Cotton Fab, basically a Myntra brand, and it is so cute. It has frills and this whole floral thingy going on. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to wear it. Yes, so this one, and then last but not the least, this one by Tanishka. Tanishka ordered this for me and it reached me around 7 to 8 days before my birthday. This is like a fridge magnet basically. It also came with a chocolate. And yes, this is a fridge magnet which has my pictures. This is where I'm dancing. This is my picture with Simba. This is my picture, and this is my picture with Mama and Baba. This is a fridge magnet. It says happy birthday. You can just stick it on the fridge, and I am sticking it on the fridge. Thank you so much, Tanishka, for this gift. I love it, I love it, I love it. And yes, that's about it. These are the presents that I received, like the tangible present that I can touch and show you guys, and not to forget all the love, support and best wishes and blessings from you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for all the wishes Simba is playing and figuring it out because I have kept things नीचे, so he's like कि ये सब नीचे से ऊपर से नीचे क्यों आ गया, inspect कर रहा है वो basically, hence the noise. Nevertheless, thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for all the story mentions, for all the DMs, the messages. I have read them all. There were around thousands of messages, and if by chance I forgot to respond to any one of you, I'm so sorry. I really still am trying to get back to all of you, and I probably will get back to all of you in a few days. I'm trying slowly and steadily. If you did not watch my birthday vlog, I'll link it up here. Definitely give it a watch, and yes, I love you guys so much. The birthday giveaway is going to end very soon. Make sure you participate in that, and definitely subscribe to my channel. And yes, I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah. Bye.